I'm going to explain NFTs in the simplest way possible. So we've all seen how these JPEGs are going for insane amounts of money as NFTs. So why do they have any value if anybody could just save the image? Well, the record of you buying this one-of-one NFT is proven on the blockchain. NFT stands for non-fungible token. An example of a fungible token would be like money, where $10 is always equal to another $10 bill. Same thing with Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is equal to another Bitcoin. However, with NFTs, each of them is unique and different in their own way, therefore they are non-fungible. So when people are buying these JPEGs for insane amounts of money, it's as if they're buying a verified receipt that they own this one-of-one NFT. And it's all proven on the blockchain for anybody to see.
Guide to Crypto Wealth is on sale at the rate of $49.99. Type interested in the comment section.